straw biscuits all over the floor. They take them out their bowls.
Yeah. Because I just...
Molly. Oh, she's pretty. I just made the bed in here and I wanted to show you, if you've not seen it before, this is my favourite guest room. I designed this guest room completely on my own. Lou had no input and I just wanted it to feel like you're staying at your nan's house. You following mummy? It's her old age. Unless you've got someone's face open, like you're having a surgical nose job and it's open and you can see all their arteries and veins, you can't guarantee anything.
No.
Oh, the green plant you don't like?
Yeah.
I thought you meant you didn't like the lavender and I thought I like that.
No, I like the lavender. I think it's really nice. It's Harry. No, the fake lavender.
No, I like that.
Yeah.
I don't like the green plant either.
The stuff on the floor, the pot's okay.
Oh, right, yeah.
For like another plant, but I don't like that candle thing. I think it just looks cheap and it could just go in the garden.
I've been here that many times, but every time I'm just like, wow, so pretty. Hey, we don't have... You need to quiver like that, babe. Don't be silly. We're just washing his feet. Don't worry about it. A quick swirl on your toes, okay? Look, just a quick one. That's all. I know. Your brother and sister are having to have this in the garden. Yeah, not in the shower. Come on then. Come on then, babe. Overhead lighting is so unforgiving. I've been using this stuff from Yapoda, which is a new brand to me, and I've been using it for the past couple of weeks and I'm obsessed. I've got really, really sensitive skin. It's not usual that I can try like 5, 6, 7 new products and not a single one of them gives me grief. Like usually it will make my skin sore, it'll give me a reaction or it'll break me out. All of these are doing really well, and I'm also due on my period like tomorrow, I guess, and I've got no spots on my face, which is very rare for me. I've actually got something to tell you, but I don't think I'm going to tell you until tomorrow morning because I want to sit down properly and talk to you about it.
6 months ago that it happened here. Just 6 months ago.
Harry, don't be stupid.
Anyway.
One of the dogs has an upset stomach, so I've just been cooking some rice. I think that's ready to go now. You gotta wait a second because it's hot, okay? It's really hot. Alexa, make the lights in the gym fuchsia.
Okay.
Lou makes it blue or red. I don't know why you want anything other than pink. Molly May vlog? I think so.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
The quickest and easiest way to glow up is tinting your eyebrows, I swear. And And also another little random recommendation, this hair brand, Amika, so good. If you haven't seen him yet, this is Teddy. And he's got a nappy on right now because he's not toilet trained and he's upstairs. So you don't want weebies on the carpet, huh? Him and Harry have become truly obsessed with one another. I was in the middle of filming and then my light died. So I'm taking a break from that to steam some of the clothes that I'm just about to wear. I hate doing this. This is my least favourite part about filming, is having to steam the clothes. But I've learned that you just got to do it. And honestly, this is dedication because I don't steam my clothes before I go out. I am simply doing this because I'm filming. Like, truly. I do not do this for myself. I've just finished filming and I've been filming since about, I want to say 8 AM and it is 1 o'clock now. So I've been pretty much filming non-stop. I've just finished filming a video about pyjamas because I've got so many pyjamas. I'm literally, I don't know if I've ever said this on YouTube, but I am obsessed with pyjamas. I know that's like a really weird thing to have an obsession over, but I love pyjamas. But I'm just about to go sit down and get some editing done now that I filmed all of that. I am just getting dressed. It is 9:30 and I've got an event today with Jo Malone. I don't know if I've ever said this before, but Jo Malone is one of my biggest inspirations in life. I read her book probably maybe 7-8 years ago and it just inspired me so much. Love her, I think she's amazing, and I started working with the brand maybe 2 years ago, and then I actually got to meet her last year at an event, which was just like insane. You know, when you keep talking and you're just like shut up, and you just keep saying stuff and it just keeps getting worse. That was me. So my hair is done. I've done it super curly because I'm sure it's going to drop out in the rain and then it'll be more of like a Hollywood wave by the time I get there, which is perfect for what I'm after. Hey girl, so I didn't really say anything when I was at the Jo Loves event because honestly I feel so lucky to go to these events, but I'm also really shy, so it's also like it's really hard to kind of figure out how I'm feeling because on one hand I'm so lucky, like so many people would give so much to be here, and I am so grateful to be going, especially to a Jo Loves event. Like, I love Jo Malone so much. Like I said, like she's such an inspiration to me. If you haven't read her book, you have to. And honestly, don't buy from Jo Malone anymore, buy from Jo Loves, because Jo Malone puts her heart and soul into these products and this brand and so much thought. Every single product she releases has a story to it. Like, there's so much thought and love, and I love the brand and I'm so passionate about it. So yeah, make sure you buy from Jo Loves, not Jo Malone. No offense to Jo Malone the brand, but Jo Loves is where it's at. But yeah, it's kind of like a mental battle because I'm so lucky and I'm so grateful to be there, and like genuinely I am, like I can't believe it. Like I'm literally like, why am I, like has there been a mix up, like why am I here? And I feel so grateful. But the thing is, when you're so shy and like anxious and you're not good at, like, I'm not good at talking to people because my anxiety is so bad. I'm constantly thinking like, oh, they think I'm weird or they think I'm this. I struggle to like follow a conversation because I'm so self-conscious of what they're thinking of me, and like I'm so worried that I'm going to say the wrong thing or like accidentally say something offensive that I can't even concentrate on the conversation because I'm so worried at how they're like perceiving me and how I'm behaving, because I know that I'm so shy and awkward. I always think that I'm like behaving, everybody says to me like, oh, you say you're really shy but like you're fine. So to other people I must seem fine, but to me, I know how I feel inside. So yeah, it's always like this like back and forth like battle thing. But yeah, I'm so grateful to have been invited. And my favourite perfume, there were a few, like, I got this perfume trio, but my favourite one that you have to try, like, I think I found my signature scent. Like, I didn't think I was ever going to find it, because yeah, I like perfumes. There are loads of perfumes that I love, and there are loads of perfumes that I think are absolutely delicious, but I feel like liking a perfume and finding like your signature scent are two different things. I said earlier on in the vlog that I had something to tell you. Excuse the fact I've got literally no makeup on my face. I had a facial this morning, so it's still a little bit like red, because she like does like a little, it's like a peel or like a cleanse or something like that, and like buffs my skin off, so it always is a little bit like blotchy for the rest of the day. But yeah, I said it earlier in the vlog that I had something to tell you about, and I just wanted to share this news with you. We've adopted another dog. Like, we've adopted another dog, and when I'm telling people this, they're like, you're insane. And I'm like, girl, I know I'm insane. You don't need to tell me twice. So if you didn't know, we got Harry from the big three, who is currently snoozing in his bed, and he looks so peaceful, so I'm not going to pick him up. And then we offered to foster a little duo called Candy and Floss, and they're a mother and son duo. And the rescue in China had said like they can't be separated, like they're completely bonded, they can't be split, like they have to go together. So obviously they went together, and then the person that adopted them sadly returned them, which, if you're going to rescue a dog and fly them all the way over from China, if you're going to rescue any dog or buy any dog, please be sure that you can commit to this dog for the rest of its life. Literally like having children, like you have to give them care for the rest of their life. They don't go to school, they're with you all day. They can't go on holiday with you like you can bring your children, you have to find somewhere for them to go. It's a big commitment. There are so many things to think about: their food, their vets bills, dog walkers, spending enough time with them, making sure they've got a happy and fulfilled life. There's a lot that goes into it. So if you're going to get a dog, please be sure of what you're doing. But that being said, their adoption failed, and the rescue really needed somebody to foster these dogs like urgently. So we offered to do that. We fostered Candy and Floss, and Flossie had to have an operation. She's doing really well, but while she was recovering, they had to be separate because Teddy, we call him Teddy now, who is Candy, he is only a puppy, and he's like crazy. Like, he loves nibbling, he loves chasing, he loves biting, he loves wrestling. Like him and Harry, you've seen in this video already, they're constantly wrestling, they're constantly biting each other, wrestling each other, running around after each other. And he is like, he's only a baby, so he's relentless with it. Like, he's mad. And Flossie was very much like chilled, like she wanted her own space. She was constantly trying to get away from him. I'm sure she loves him, but she was just like, this is too much. Like, we need to take a step back and reassess what is going on right now. So while she was recovering from her operation, me and Jade, the lady who runs the rescue, we decided just to see how they were doing separately, just to see if they were going to handle it well, if it was better for them, if they had to be together, like just see how they were going to do, because nobody had seen them separate. And when I tell you, they both have flourished, it's insane. So Teddy has grown in confidence so much. Like, he's literally running around this house like he owns it. He runs around the garden. He's such a confident little boy. He's doing so well. He's doing amazing with toilet train. Flossie is doing so well. She's recovering well from her operation. She's just doing amazingly. Like, she's enjoying her own space. She's currently living with another dog, but she doesn't really like... She'll interact, but she's not a dog type of person. I think she just likes having a human, because when she was with us, all she wanted to do was like sit and snuggle with you and get fusses. She wasn't really interested in like mingling with the other dogs. Obviously we had like 4 other dogs in the house for her to choose from on who to mingle with, and she just wasn't interested. Like, she just was not interested. She wanted her own space. So we decided that the best thing for both of them is probably to split them. But I have said to Jade it would be nice if like they could stay in contact. And him and Harry are like this. They are best friends. They're joined at the hip. They walk literally side by side like this along together. They're obsessed with each other. They sleep next to each other. They snuggle next to each other. They go in the garden together. They are inseparable, and they are best friends. But yeah, I've had my facial this morning, which was really, really nice. I go to this lady in Oxford called, I don't know how you say it, Obai. Aubai, O-U-B-A-I is how you spell it. And my skin, I don't think it comes across on this camera, but my skin is glowing so much. It's literally so glowy. So yeah, I'm very happy with that.
Special episode because we have some guests.
We do. It's a very special guest.
And I'm going to say the first one is Sophia.
And you said that on purpose because you're scared. I was going to say Cynthia? Chinzia.
Yeah. No, Chinsia.
Chinzia?
Sorry.
We haven't started yet. Well, actually, when this goes out, we probably will have.
Yes.
When do you think?
People not expecting the queue halfway down the road.
She wants a crunch.
She wants the frozen.
Highlight.
I mean, no. It was honestly so fun. But before we get into the juiciest bits of the episode, we have a couple of like...
Oh, God. This is nothing.